Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on how to make big commissions in affiliate marketing. So if you're new to affiliate marketing or you've been struggling to make money in affiliate marketing, I'm going to show you how the top earners are able to make 5 figures, 6 figures per month in affiliate marketing. Okay, now this is a step-by-step process, so I'm going to go over these steps as quickly as I can. I don't want to make this video too long. If you like the content in this video, go ahead and click the like button below, and also subscribe to my channel because I'll be making more videos like this in the future. You could just click the subscribe button below this video as well. Now, how to make big commissions in affiliate marketing. The first thing you want to do is find a high ticket product to promote, and you can find some of those products on like an affiliate marketplace. One of them that's really popular is called Clickbank, right here, clickbank.com. They have products in many different niches that you could choose from. The ones that are really profitable and are high ticket, you're going to find a lot of them in the weight loss category and also in the make money niche, make money from home niche. Okay, I like the make money from home niche. That's the one I stick with, and there are lots of high ticket products in that particular niche. So that's the make money from home niche. Okay, so you're going to find products that cost hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars that you could promote, and you can earn at least 50 to 75% commissions on them. There are some other affiliate companies out there where you can earn 100% commissions paid directly to you. You can get paid by like PayPal or Stripe, or you can have the company take the payments for you. 100% commissions, and the reason these affiliate companies are able to pay 100% commissions because they charge an administration fee, and the administration fee is there to help them to continue to bring out new products on their websites and to maintain the website and things like that. So that's how the company makes the money, but you still earn 100% commissions. Okay, so you'll find the best type of products like that, especially the 100% commission products in the make money from home niche, and I'll show you a little bit of that in a moment. Okay, number 2, you want to drive consistent traffic to the offer. Traffic is just getting people to see your offer. Now, this will also lead into number 3, which is follow up with your leads. What a lot of new affiliate marketers do that is a huge mistake is that they're going to drive traffic or send people to a sales page, the affiliate product sales page. That is the wrong way to do it, because it's not a secret, but most new affiliate marketers don't know this. Okay, so let me write that down here. 99%, if not 100%, of people who see your offer the first time will not purchase or buy. Okay, will not buy or sign up for whatever you're offering. Okay, so if 99% of the people who see your offer for the first time, and you're sending them directly to the affiliate product sales page, you're not going to make any money off of those people. You're wasting your time, you're wasting your money driving traffic to that offer because you're sending them directly to the sales page. What you want to do is you want to create a lead capture page, okay? And it's sometimes called an opt-in page. Okay, and the opt-in page is just a page that has like an enticing headline to get people curious about what you have to offer, and then if they want more information, they just put in their email address. So let me show you an example of a really good converting lead capture page or opt-in page. Okay, so this is one of the products that I promote. Okay, affiliate products that I promote. This is their lead capture page. All right. So it has an enticing headline about getting $2,000 cash payments delivered to your mailbox and how you can earn up to $16,500. And it asks for an email address so you can get more information about this opportunity. Okay, so when people put in their email address, what they do is that they go to a sales page. So instead of sending people directly to the sales page, you want to send them to a lead capture page first, so you can capture their email address and then send them to the sales page. So why would you want to capture the email address of a person when they first go to your offer? The reason you want to get that email address is because you want to be able to follow up with your leads. Okay, the money is in the follow-up. Okay, the money is in the follow-up. This is where you're going to make the majority of your money, not from the people who first see your offer, but the people who are exposed to your offer over and over and over again. Okay, and you know, nowadays it could take 7, 8, 10, 15 times for someone to see your offer before they finally make a decision to purchase, to make a purchase, or to sign up for your opportunity. So that's why it's important to collect the email address of those people where they end up on what's called an email autoresponder, and they start receiving email messages every day that redirects them back to the sales page of that affiliate product. All right, so that's how you make your money in the follow-up, not on the first exposure, but on many exposures. Okay, so this takes this can take some time for you to make your first sale. Some people get lucky and make their first sale the first day or the first week. Some people, it may take them a little longer. It may take a few weeks to make their first sale, or their first month to make their first sale. And that sale could come from traffic that you generated a month ago. Okay, so that's why it's important to drive consistent traffic to your lead capture page, collect the email address, and then follow up with your leads. Okay, now this whole process of the lead capture page, the sales page, and the follow-up series is all part of what's called a sales funnel system. Okay, so you need to be able to create a sales funnel system where you drive traffic, whether you're using like paid advertising or free advertising methods like making YouTube videos or posting on your Facebook profile about your affiliate product or offer or business opportunity, whatever you're promoting, and collect the lead by collecting their email address. It goes into what's called an email autoresponder, and then you send out follow-up emails to those leads, redirecting them back to the sales page. Okay, so here's the flow. Let me show it to you real quick here. So the first step is to get traffic, and then that traffic goes to the opt-in page, and then they put in their email address, and then they go to the sales page where they learn about the affiliate product or the business opportunity you're promoting. And then they can buy or sign up. Okay, so that is the sales funnel system. Now, in addition to that, of course, when they opt in, they go on your email list where you send follow-up emails, redirecting them back to the sales page. And basically what's put in these follow-up emails is showing proof, showing people having success with the affiliate product that you're promoting. If you're promoting a business opportunity, you're showing proof of people who are successful in the business opportunity you're promoting. Okay, so you're sending out proof, you're sending out value emails, teaching them something, whatever. You're allowing these people to get to know you as a real person. Okay, and that this isn't some scam or anything like that. It makes them feel more comfortable to go ahead and purchase that product or sign up for that opportunity. Now, having said all of this, if you're new to affiliate marketing, or you have been struggling and you're really not comfortable trying to create your own sales funnel system, you can use a free sales funnel system, a free marketing system to do all this for you. Okay, the only thing you have to concentrate on is driving consistent traffic to the offer. And this is what I'm talking about right here. This is what I promote. Okay, this is called Profits Passport. And all I do is promote this opt-in page. Okay, I drive traffic to this opt-in page. People put in their email address, and the creator of the system, his name is David Dekel, he does the selling and telling for me. When people put in this email address, they go to a webinar that David Dekel put on. It's about an hour and 46 minutes. And he explains everything about the offer. He explains everything about the opportunity and how you can generate big commissions in affiliate marketing using this system called Profits Passport. Okay, now there are several income streams inside of this system. Right now, as of me making this video, there are 7 income streams inside of Profits Passport, but the one I'm concentrating on today is the first income stream, which is called Easy One-Up. Easy One-Up provides digital business educational products, and they have several different product levels that you can purchase. And not only do you get access to that product, but you can earn 100% commissions on those products. And the product prices range from $25 plus a $5 administration fee that's paid to the company, all the way up to $2,000 and a $500 administration fee for that. Okay, and these are one-time payments, so there are no monthly payments within this Profits Passport system at all. No monthly payments, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, and once you own that product, you own it for life. And if you come in at one of the higher product levels, not only do you get access to that product level you purchased, let's say the Vertex Elite $500 level, you also get access to all of the product levels below it. Okay, that's how this Easy One-Up works. Not only that, but you become eligible to receive affiliate commissions of 100% commissions at the product level you purchased and all of the product levels below it. Okay, so that's why I tell people when they join Easy One-Up to come in at the highest level you can, so you can earn bigger commissions. Okay, now if you come in at the $500 level and you bring somebody in at the $1,000 level, you don't receive that commission because you don't own the product. Okay, I just want to let you know that. So again, that's why I highly suggest to people come in at the highest level you can so you don't miss out on the big commissions. So this is the secret, guys. This is the secret of how people are, these top earners that you see on Facebook and YouTube, are making tens of thousands of dollars, some even over $100,000 a month in affiliate marketing, because they're promoting systems like this, and they're promoting these affiliate companies like Easy One-Up, where they're earning $1,000 and $2,000 per commission. Okay, you don't need to make that many sales in a month in order to make $10,000 a month. If you make 10 $1,000 sales, you've made $10,000 that month. Okay, so if you come in at the $2,000 level and you make 5 sales, you've made $10,000 a month. So again, the higher product level you come in at, you're gonna earn more commissions. You're gonna earn. It's going to be easier for you to reach that 5 figures per month in affiliate marketing by using this system. And again, you don't have to promote Easy One-Up. All you have to do is, when you put in your email address and watch that webinar, you create a free account in Profits Passport, and then you're going to get your own personal link for Profits Passport. All you have to do is promote that link, drive traffic to that link that leads people to this opt-in page, and David and this Profits Passport system will do the selling and telling for you. You don't have to talk to anyone if you don't want to. David will follow up with your leads on your behalf. He sends emails every day to your leads showing proof, showing people making tons of money in Profits Passport and the main income stream inside it, which is income stream number 1, Easy One Up. Now, what I want to do real quick is show you some of these testimonials from people who have been making money. Okay, David has a private Facebook group, and let me see if I can find it real quick. All right. Okay, let me go to it real quick. Okay, so this is the private Facebook group for David's group. All right, Alex here made $4,000 on Friday. Okay, and again, this is from the first income stream. So most of the income proof you're going to see is from the first income stream. Everybody signs up with Easy One Up, and they come in at the highest levels they can. All right. Timmy here made an unexpected $2,000 flying in his pocket in the morning. So he had a total of $6,000 in 2 days. Okay. Tony made $88,550 so far in Easy One Up, the first income stream. Carrie here made his first $100 in the system. Here's Jeff again, making $1,000 and another $2,000, so that's $3,000. Michael made $2,000. Okay. Again, thanks David Dekel once again for doing the hard work for us. Like I said, all you do is drive traffic to the system, Profits Passport system, and David does the rest for you. Okay. Philip says 2 big commissions within 24 hours just by driving consistent traffic to Profits Passport. This wouldn't be possible without David Dekel's hard work on our behalf. Thank you. So he made $500 here, and let me see what $250 there. So he made a total of $750 in 24 hours. Okay. Let me show you another one. That'll be the last one. Ruza made their first $100 in the Profits Passport system. Okay. And last one, Freddie, he made $4,000 for the day. Okay. So you see the alerts he got for Easy One Up right there. So I just want to show you some of the proof of people making thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars in Profits Passport with the first income stream, which is Easy One Up. And there are so many testimonials in this group. I could go on and on for days showing you the proof, but I don't want to make this video really long. It's already at almost 18 minutes. So if you're ready to get started with Profits Passport, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area. Set up your free account, watch the webinar by David, and then start driving traffic. If you don't know how to do that, David does show you in that webinar how to drive traffic to your offer. Okay, thank you for watching this video on how to make big commissions in affiliate marketing, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.